Hi guys, this is my new Ryobi handheld vacuum. This is a pcl705. Yeah, I got this on a Black Friday deal. So I got this for just 39 bucks. But this I got this for just a toll only. So I don't have a battery on this. But I got an adapter. I just got this in Amazon for just 20 bucks. Because if I'm gonna buy a new battery, it just costs me, I think it's 69 bucks. So it saves me a lot. So I just buy an adapter because I have already a Makita battery. So I just bought this one. So yes, let's do it like this because I don't want to have so many tools and so many batteries. So I just do is just buy an adapter so I can use my Makita battery. It's like that. Okay. So I use this in to clean my car and it's pretty good. Yeah, next time I show you how it's do do the sucking, especially in the car. Yeah, this is my Ryobi handheld vacuum. Okay, bye bye.